short peeves. So I was doing this, and I was finding out. I was listening to Hit the Quan, and I heard this sound. Wait, let me just play it. So I heard that sound, and I was like, the freak. Did you hear? If you heard that, that would be awesome. So I'm going to play it to the part, and I'm going to play it right on it. So you might hear it. I'm going to shut my door. You guys could hear it. So I shut my door. There we go. And let's start doing it. How are we going to do it? It should, yeah, this one should go loud. Here, I'll start playing. Here. That sound right there, like, here, I'll play it one more time, to hear it. Okay, guys, I'll put on, here, I have to wait, I'm sorry, guys, really sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, guys, it's not working because, okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm going to skip it to 101. Okay, guys, if you can.
Please watch your step, cause I'm feeling myself. Throw a flag on the plate, man, somebody get the ref.
So that sound, so I was watching this Vine, a psycho dog man, craziest barking dog impression ever, Australian. So, okay, it's like that. Okay. If you heard that sound, like, okay, here, I'll play it. Wait. Okay. Here. Here we go. 3, 2, wait. 3, 2, 1.
Man, somebody get the ref. Man, somebody get some help.
Does he sound like, the thing, wait, cancel it. Does it sound, okay, I'm gonna do one more sound of it. You can hear that, like it's the frick, so I was watching this, like that. And this is DC Swag here, this is D-Money, if you don't know who it is. So, I play it at 107 if you can't see, but I'm just playing it. Here we go.
Get the ref. Man, somebody get some help.
So, I'll see you guys later. Bye. If you like that, leave a like. And go see some Chris's new video, $C a new video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.